This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 34 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're going to be doing another duplicate of what we did before. We're going to be putting together some suspension-y bits and indeed the disc brake as well. So first of all, we need the screw, we need the pin through here. Once again, we've got a little bit of a friction joint that's not held together by a screw. There's just a pin that holds this together. I think I've not opened it. I did open the packet, right. So yeah, that just holds that together. If I can get that pin through there, which end is knurled. I did find the knurled end and then I dropped it. So that's a knurled end. So let's get that one that way around. That through there. Or possibly that side. I don't think it makes a difference, but one might be easier than the other. So that's in there, that in the middle. And then that can go all the way through. But not quite all the way through. A little bit more pressure required. Wind up. Still not quite all the way through. There you go. That's that. Right. All good. Then we need to fix that using one of these screws. Lots of different types of screws for this build. All just subtly different. So this is going to go where the other one went, sort of into the middle there. Doesn't matter which way round, but it does matter left and right rather than up and down. So that's got to go all the way into there. Somewhat tricky to get into it, but not too bad, hopefully. It's not been able to do it. Try that again. There we go. So that goes on there like that. Then we've got to get that screw, hold it in place on this side. Come on, should have got the screw ready first. That will do it, and that's going to go in there. Yes, it is in there. Like that. Cool, that's that attached. Then we've got the post, needs to go into that, and another screw of a different variety holds that together. So let's get that together. That one sorted out. Come on, you know you want to. There you go. So this is going to go into that post and on the end of that. How do we do that? We lift this up. just lift it up halfway because you don't want it all the way over the other side. There you go. That'll do it. So that there, and then that other end of that in there like that. That screw holding that there. Nice. So then we've got the other side of this suspension piece, just like the first side there. Next up, we've just got to clip this together. Let's make sure I get it the right way round, because I don't want to get it the wrong way around. It is shiny side and shiny side. That is like that. And then that goes in just like we've done before. Through one of those gaps. Like that. So there we have that, which will wait on there. 2 pins on that will line up into there. And that will be good to go next time when we get the other wheel. So that is that. Another issue done, and indeed another month done. So thank you very much for joining me on this journey to building Eleanor. I shall see you next time for more of the same, or other part works in between times. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.